Your printer is leaving streaks down the page, white gaps, faded bands, or lines that repeat. Here's how to fix it, and the cause is completely different for inkjet and laser, so start by knowing which one you have. On an inkjet, white streaks through your text almost always mean a clogged print head. Run the head cleaning cycle from your printer's maintenance menu. Then print a nozzle check to see what's still missing. If gaps remain, run it one more time, but stop after 3 cycles, because every cleaning burns real ink. Second, if cleaning won't clear it, pull the cartridge and blot the print head on a damp, lint-free cloth for about 30 seconds. That draws out dried ink the pump can't pull. Third, check your levels, because a nearly empty cartridge streaks long before it stops. Now, laser printers. A pale streak in the same spot on every page usually means the toner is low or unevenly distributed. Pull the cartridge, rock it gently side to side 5 or 6 times, and reinstall it. And if the streak repeats at a fixed interval down the page, or it's a hard black line, that's the drum unit, not the toner. Castle Ink stocks compatible cartridges and drum units for most major models at up to 70% less than OEM.